everyone and welcome back. So this new year I am starting a fresher week and I am kickstarting it with some how to clean your brushes video. So let's get started. So step 1 is a breakdown method for which I am taking some micellar water and some tissues. And please नीचे tissues के कुछ रख लेना, otherwise बहुत messy हो जाएगा. So now I'm going to do is dip my brush and swirl it on paper just to ensure all the product makeup is coming off the brush, and here you can see it works. And then basically I'm just going to do the exact same thing to my all brushes, and the reason why I'm doing this because it is quick in comparison to doing a deep cleaning. And I usually do this method on small brushes. It literally saves me a lot of time, and because I have so many brushes, and you can also do next step as well with your small brushes, but वो deep cleaning वाली थोड़ी easy कर देता है, and कौन इतना time पानी में हाथ डालेगा. So next step is deep cleaning, and I'm taking this silicone brush and I'm taking some anti dandruff shampoo. I know इसके cleaner आते हैं and they are just glorified Dove soap, nothing else. So I will leave all the product link in description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And I'm going to do just again dip and swirl again and again till I'm happy with the outcome. So the most important part of this step is a thumb test. So all you need to do is आपको अपना brush water में करना है, एंड थंब और फिंगर के बीच में जो गैप होता है उस बीच में से उसको प्रॉपरली प्रेस करके जो वाटर निकलता है इस तरीके से, देन इट्स नॉट क्लीन. यू हैव टू रन इट अगेन एंड अगेन. एंड एनीवेज आपको आपका ब्रश ऐसे नहीं रखना है, ऐसे रखना है, बिकॉज वंस आपका ग्लू की तरफ वाटर चला गया देन योर ब्रश इज मोस्ट लाइकली टू डेवलप बैक्टीरिया. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू वन मोर टाइम ऑन dense brush, because dense brushes are difficult to clean because you have to run multiple times thumb test just to ensure that they are clean enough and to get rid of excess water in them, just to make them like dry quickly. And cleaning brush is very important because if you're not going to clean your brush, it's going to cause you some serious skin conditions, because makeup brushes are likely to develop bacteria and fungus. And basically what I'm going to do the exact same thing to all my brushes, and it literally took me 20 to 25 minutes. And it depends on your brushes. The more brush you have, more time you take, and the less brush you have, less time you take. So yeah, I'm also cleaning my beauty blender as well because they also need cleaning. As you can see here, lots and lots of foundation is coming out. Please excuse my voice because I am recovering from a viral fever. Now on to the next step. I am going to lay out all my brushes on a towel so it can absorb all the excess water, and then let them dry overnight is the best way, because then you are not left with any wet or soggy brushes in the morning. And as you can see, all my brushes are nice and clean here. I really hope you enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and watch out for more back to basic related videos coming up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.